In this demonstration, I'm going to create a new class. Here we created a main class for the program, which is named combinedLinkedMenu. We prompt a scanner for the inputs, display our local variables, created a dual loop for the search switch. Next, we created a switch option case for the contents of the program. This method contains all the statement that prompts the user for the choices or menu. Here we created a node class for our local variables, previews, next, and item. We use setters and getters for the input of int item, node next, and node previews. Here we use getters to get the values of the item, the next, and the previews. Here we have the backbone or dynamic class. We have the variables node head, node tail. We created a constructor for it and set their values to null. We create parameters, and these reference to our local variables head and tail. We created a method to add an item to the first element of the node. Here we created a method to add an item to the last position of the node, which is named add to tail. Here we have the insert after method that insert a number after the number that we choose. We use the insertion sort algorithm for this syntax. Next is delete from head, which deletes our first number of the node. Next method is delete from tail, which deletes the element to the last method of the node. Here we have method delete node, which we choose a number to delete. Print head. We create created a method for printing the head of the node and the opposite print tail, which we print the last number of the node. Search item, a method to search an item and display its position. We use a search algorithm for this method. Next is print forward, which displays the numbers in forward position. Example, if you have 10, 20, 30, the head is the tail and the last number is 50. Print backward, the opposite. For example, if you have 10, 20, 30, the first number will show up is 30, second is 20, and last is 10, and displays the elements in backward position. That's all. Thank you.